Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 3 well-known cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy USDT and other stable coins. Now before I continue, I do want to let you guys know that this video is only for information and education purpose. I'm not a financial advisor, and these are platforms I genuinely think they are good, and these are platforms I have been using for the past few years and I'm currently using them right now. So in today's video I'm going to put them side by side and show you guys which one I personally prefer. But as always, make sure you also do your own research. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and first of all leave a like to this video and also subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icons, and also you can join my WhatsApp and Telegram community. Check the links in the bio and join. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. Alright guys, so the first crypto exchange I'm going to be talking about is called CoinEx. Now CoinEx is a global cryptocurrency exchange that is available in most countries, and this is not a new crypto exchange. The platform actually launches since 2017, and since then they have been operating, which actually shows how good they are. And remember, you can also go ahead and do your research on any of the crypto exchanges I'm going to mention in this video, so you verify everything by yourself. Now another thing I love about this CoinEx is that the interface is very simple to use compared to other cryptocurrency exchange. You can actually navigate to where you want without getting confused, which is actually good for beginners. Now another thing I discovered about this exchange is that their web version is not available everywhere. So in some parts of the world you will not be able to sign up on the platform using their website. So in that case, you can go ahead and download the application. Just go to Google Play Store, App Store, and search for the application. Also, you need to verify your account before you start using it. And I believe this is not new. A lot of cryptocurrency exchanges out there also ask you for verification, but the verification on this platform is not difficult compared to other crypto exchanges. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys how to buy USDT and other stable coins. So once you sign up and log into your account, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on where it says buy crypto. You can buy through the P2P market, you can buy through quick buy, and also third-party trading. Now the P2P market is not something new. A lot of cryptocurrency exchanges out there have the options on their platform. So if you want to buy making use of the P2P market on the CoinEx platform, just go ahead and click on P2P trading. Once you tap on it, it's going to load up and take you to where you can buy and sell USDT and other stable coins. This is where you can see people that want to sell their USDT or USDC. All you need to do is to go ahead, click on buy, and follow the platform instructions. You can also sell. So you can see here, if you want to sell your crypto, you can just click on sell here. Then you select either USDT or USDC, and this is where you will see people that are willing to buy. You will see the amount they are willing to buy. You will also see their account limit, and also you will see their payment method. So you can just go ahead and select the buyer you want to sell your crypto to. And when it comes to P2P market, you need to be very careful because there are so many scammers in the P2P market. Make sure you always wait to see alerts, because some people will tell you they have already paid you, meanwhile they haven't sent you any money. So you need to be very careful when trading in the P2P market. So that is another way you can buy stable coins and also sell stable coins. Now another way is through quick buy. So you can just go ahead, click on quick buy. It's going to take you here. This is where you can just enter the amount in your local currency. You will see how much you are going to receive in USDT, and over here you can see the instructions on how to make your payments. This option is not available in all countries, so just make sure you check if it is available in your country or not. All right, so another way to trade stablecoin is the third-party trading. So just tap on it here. It's going to take you here. All you need to do is to scroll down here, choose the currency you want to trade. So for me, I'm in Nigeria, so I just went ahead and selected Nigeria. So you can check if your country is available in this list right here. After you select your country, you can then come down here and see people that are willing to sell and their payment method. You can also trade USDC, you can also trade BTC and Ethereum. You can check out the markets, you can check out the spot trading, future trading. The second crypto exchange on my list is Binance. It is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchange, and you can see they have over 305 million users worldwide. You can download the application on Google Play Store or App Store or any other device you have. Once you sign up, you need to actually verify your account. Once you verify your account, you'll be able to start trading. So over here, they also have their P2P markets here, where you can just buy directly from other merchants on the Bybit platform. Now, one thing about Bybit is that their P2P market is not available in some countries. So for example, in my country, Nigeria, the P2P market on Binance has been disabled for Nigerians. Now, apart from the P2P market, there are other ways to trade your stablecoin, which is spot trading, margin trading, convert and block trade, demo trading, alpha trading, trading bots, copy trading. The only thing I don't love about Bybit is about the P2P market, which is not available in some countries. All right, so another cryptocurrency I'll be talking about is Bybit. Now, Bybit is also a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy stable coins and even meme coins. And you can see currently they are offering $20 sign up bonus. All you need to do is to just sign up, complete identity verification, and claim your bonus. And you can see the time is actually limited. Now, Bybit also have their P2P market, and personally I use Bybit right now as well. You can also do future trading, spot trading, margin trading, derivatives, and a lot more. And if you don't want to make use of the web version of it, the application is also available on Google Play Store. Make sure you verify your account and then you start trading. So the platform I currently use is CoinEx. Their interface is actually very good, and the P2P market is also available for me in my country, which is Nigeria, plus amazing other features that I love, and that is why I use it. So thanks for watching. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Don't forget to join my WhatsApp and my Telegram community. The link is in my bio, so click the link and join. It's totally free to join. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.